Well, hi, hello, my dear students. Welcome to my video lecture class. Right up to now, I uploaded video lectures on the topic Newton's laws of motion. Today, I am going to discuss two blocks connected by strings. Two blocks are connected by strings. Then, how to find acceleration of the system. How to find tension in the each string. When two blocks connected by strings, how to find tension in the strings, how to find acceleration of the system. So these are the four questions. So I am taking here. So I explain one by one here. First, I am going to explain first question solution. So what is the first question here given? Observe carefully. This is a block M1 is given. So this is a block M2 is given. Block M2 is given. Here applied force is F, like this is given. Okay. So here M1 M2 is connected by string or not? Definitely some force is acting. Tension force is acting. So how it is acting? Tension force is always acts away from the object. Away from the object. Like this it is acting. So tension force is acting like this. So here also T. Tension force is acting like this direction. Okay. So tension force is acting in this direction. This is a T. Tension force is acting like this. So now from this, here is the tension force is acting. Here tension force is acting in this direction. From this, draw free body diagrams. Simply we applying free body diagram concept, we got answer. But I solve this question by simple trick. So how to solve this question? Simple trick, just note down the trick, then definitely you'll get easily got solution. So trick is here. Tension is equal to backward mass into acceleration. So this is a simple trick. Tension is equal to backward mass into acceleration. Observe carefully. So I want a tension T. So this is a T is the tension in the string. So how to find a tension in the string T? Here string is same. If a string is differed, tension is differed. This is very important point. String is same, tension is same. If a string differed, then tension also differed. Tension also differed. So how to find tension T? Tension T is equal to, for finding this is the first, note down this. Tension is a trick is backward mass into acceleration. Backward mass into acceleration. Is it or not? Backward mass into acceleration. So how to find this? So just apply tension T is equal to backward mass. What is backward mass? Here force is applied in this direction. Force applying in this direction means backward mass means M1. M1 is backward mass here. Applied force direction is very important. Force applied in this direction. In this direction force is applied. That means backward mass means this is a tension. Backward mass means what is backward mass here? M1 is backward mass. Backward mass is M1 into acceleration. What is acceleration, ma? So here bodies moves with, I'll consider as some acceleration A. Definitely acceleration is always along the direction of force. So M1 into A. So T is equal to M1 into A. So this is a tension formula. T is equal to M1 into A. So what about acceleration formula here? Acceleration is equal to, always formula, net force is by total mass. Net force by total mass. Okay, acceleration formula is always net force by total mass. Net force by total mass. So from this apply. A is equal to net force means F only F force only acting here. F total mass M1 plus M2. M1 plus M2. So we got here simple trick. Acceleration formula is F net by total mass. Acceleration we got. Tension means M1 into A or not? M1 into A. Apply that. So here we got tension means m1 into a. So that means here tension in this string T is equal to m1 into a. So that means m1 means m1 only. Acceleration already we know, total force by total mass m1 plus m2. So finally what we got, m1 into f by m1 plus m2. So this is the tension in the string. Okay, so this is the tension in the string. And acceleration, so this is about first question solution. Next, second question. How to solve second question here? How to solve second question? What is the trick? What is the trick here? Backward mass into acceleration. That is the trick. I write here. What is the trick here? Trick for finding tension. Tension is equal to backward mass into acceleration. Acceleration is equal to net force by total mass. If you know these two formulas, then it is easy to find any type of question. So now I consider second question. So observe the second question. Second question solution. First draw the diagram. This is m1. This is m2. Force is applied in this direction. This is force is applied in this direction. So this is question is given. So here string is same, tension is same. Here only string 1, so I consider tension T. So how to find T and A? So first T is equal to, first to find acceleration formula, total mass by net force by total mass. What is net force here? Net force is F only. F, total mass means m1 plus m2. So acceleration we got. So in this case, first acceleration we got. So what we need to find from this question, from this diagram, acceleration we need to find and tension we need to find. Acceleration already we got. Tension how to find here? Tension is equal to backward mass into acceleration. Backward mass. What is backward mass? Here force is applied in this direction. What is backward mass here? m2 is backward mass. That means m2 into a. Backward mass into acceleration. Backward mass is m2 into acceleration. From this m2 into f by m1 plus m2. So this is a solution for second question. Next, solution for third question. How to find this? Solution for third question. Simple. If you know the tricks, it is easy to find any type of questions. Third question. How to find third question? Observe carefully. Draw the diagram. This is m1. This is m2. This is m3. Force is applied in this direction. Okay. Observe carefully. m2 and m3, between one string is there. m1 and m2, another string is there. Let us consider tension between m1 and m2 is T1. Tension between m2 and m3 is T2. So here note point is string is deferred, then tension is deferred, tension force is deferred, tension is deferred, string is deferred and tension force is deferred. So from this, acceleration is equal to same formula, net force by total mass. Net force by total mass. Net force F by total mass m1 plus m2 plus m3. So one is solved. One question is solved here. Next, tension. How to find tension T1? Tension formula, backward mass into acceleration. Backward mass, what is backward mass? m1 is backward mass. m1 into acceleration is a. So that means m1 into f by m1 plus m2 plus m3. Okay, next T2. How to find T2? T2 is equal to same backward mass into acceleration. What is backward mass? Backward mass into acceleration. This is a T2. What is backward mass? M2 and M1. M2 and M1. So that means M1 plus M2 into A. So from this M1 plus M2 into. So please note down these two tricks. These two tricks means it is easy to solve any type of question. Tension means backward mass into acceleration. I want a T2. Backward mass means M2 plus M1 into acceleration. What is M1 plus M2 into acceleration means? F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. So this is about third question solution. Next, fourth question solution. How to find fourth question solution? Fourth question solution. Fourth question solution. Fourth question solution. Observe carefully. This is our fourth one. Applying free body diagram concept, it will take more time. It will take more time while solving problem. If you know this trick, it is easy to solve any question within minutes. So please please follow these two tricks and apply these two tricks. I already solved 3 questions. So I think you got a clear idea. So now I am going to solve fourth question. Observe carefully. So this is the last question. Here is mass m1. Here is another mass. This is another mass m3. Okay. So this is a m3, m2, m1. So this is a force F. So definitely string is deferred, tension is deferred. So here tension force I consider as T1. Here tension force I consider as T2. Fourth question solution. Right, how to draw this? So now from this acceleration is equal to first one. Acceleration is equal to force by total mass. Force by total mass. Is it or not? Acceleration is equal to force by total mass. So force by F net by total mass. What is F net here? F. Total mass means M1 plus M2 plus M3. Right. Next. Second one. Tension T1, how to find? Tension T1 means backward mass into acceleration. What is backward mass? This is T1. Backward mass means M2 and M3. So that means M2 plus M3 into acceleration. So that means M2 plus M3 into F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. So this is about T1. What about T2? What about T2? T2 is equal to, again T2 is equal to backward mass into acceleration. What is backward mass? M3 is backward mass. M3 is backward mass into acceleration. Is it or not? So M3 into acceleration means F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. So this is our T2, tension T2. So this is a solution to the solution of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 questions. Whether two blocks are connected by string. Whenever two bodies are connected by string, how to find acceleration of the system, how to find tension between each block. So now I am going to solve one more question, most important in this lecture only. So this is about the contact bodies and connecting bodies problems. Connecting bodies problems like this. So right, this is one body, this is another body. So this is M1, M2, M3. Okay, this is M1, M2, M3. And how we applied force here. So we apply force in this direction. This is a force. If force is applied in this direction. If this is a so this is M1, M2, M3. How the force is applied in this direction? Because for example, if force is applied in this direction, if force is applied in this direction. So this is a problem 1, problem 2. So in these two questions, find contact force between the blocks. This is a block A, B, sorry. This is a B, C. This is also A, B, C. Contact force between blocks A, comma, B, comma, C. AB, and BC. So this is the first question. This is the first question. And next, acceleration of the system. Acceleration of the system. Find the acceleration of the system. Find acceleration of the system. So acceleration of the system. How to find? Here, simple. I am going to solve first question. First question, acceleration of the system. First question solution. First question, what is first question here? This is a M3, M2, and this is M1. So we are applying force in this direction. So right, here acceleration is equal to acceleration A is equal to F net by total mass. F net by total mass. Then F net means simple. F net means F. Total mass means M1 plus M2 plus M3. So this is acceleration. This is acceleration formula. So already we solved first, second question we solved. Second question solution we solved. Next, what we need to find? Find the contact force between block AB and BC. So block AB and BC. Here contact force between this A, B, C. Contact force between A and B is, here is F1 and here also F1. Here contact force is F2. Here contact force is acting F2. Let contact force between M1 block A and B is F1. Contact force between block B and C is F2. Okay, so this we got here F1. Contact force between block A and B is F1. Block B and C is F2. Okay, so this is about so how to apply here? So here applying like this. So observe carefully. This is M3. So we are applying like this. This is a force, contact force. So in this direction, this is F1. So this direction, this is F2. Okay, so this is block A, B, C. First of all, note down this. So now I am going to be solve this problem. Contact force between F1 we need to find in this question, A we need to find, F1 we need to find, F2 we need to find. Already we got A. So now we need to find F1 and F2. F1 and F2 we need to find. So in this question. So note down this carefully. How to solve this F1 and F2? F1 and F2 is easy to find. F1 and F2. So by applying free body diagram, we got here FBD for block A. FBD for block A. So how to apply block A? This is the block A. So what are the forces acting on this? One force, F1 force is acting in this direction, and F force is acting in this direction. F force is acting in this direction. So in this direction, so acceleration also acts in this direction. Acceleration is also acts in this direction. Is that not? So from this, F net is equal to F minus F1. Here this is a block M1, that means M1 into A is equal to F minus F1. So from this, this is equation 1 I consider. Equation 1 I consider. Free body diagram, FBD for block B. FBD for this is M2. What are the forces acting on this? One force is acting in this direction, F1 force. F2 force is acting in this direction. F2 force is acting in this direction. Force here acceleration in this direction. Acceleration is in this direction. From this, F net is equal to which is greater here. So here F is greater than F1. Here in this case, F1 is greater than F2. From this, F1 minus F2. F net is equal to F1 minus F2. F net means, according to Newton's second law, M2 into A is equal to F1 minus F2. This is equation 2. Equation 2. So FBD for block 3. FBD for block C. FBD for block C. So how to apply FBD for block C here? Observe carefully. This is a block M3. Block C. So what are the forces acting? Only one force, F2 is acting. Acceleration is also acting in this direction. Acceleration is also acting in this direction. From this, simple. Then from this, F2 is equal to M3 into A. F3 is equal to M3 into A. This is equation 3. This is equation 3. Okay. So this is equation 3. Please note down this. So we got here 3 equations. We got 3 equations. 1, 2, 3. By solving these 3 equations, we got F1, F2 and A. F1, F2 and A. By solving these 3 equations, we got F1 and F2 and A. So right, observe carefully. First equation, M1 into A is equal to F minus F1. This is equation number 1. Equation number 1. Second equation, M2 into A is equal to F1 minus F2. This is second equation. Third equation, F3 is equal to M3 into A. Sorry, F2 is equal to M3 into A. This is a third equation. Right. Substitute equation 3 in 2. equation 3 in 2. What we got here from this equation 3 into m2 into a is equal to f1 minus f2. So from this m2 into a is equal to f1 minus f2, f1 minus f2, f1 only, f2 already you know, m3 into a. So from this f1 is equal to m2 plus m3 into a. We got that. Now substitute, see equation 4. Equation 4 in equation 1. Equation 4 in equation 1. What we got here? m1 into a, f minus f1. So m1 into a, f minus f1 is m2 plus m3 into a. From this, f is equal to m1 plus m2 plus m3 into a. m1 into m3 into a. Observe carefully. So from this what we got here from this, so here a is equal to f by m1 plus m2 plus m3. Check carefully. From this what we got here, so this value we got or not? So from this we got a is equal to we got from this a is equal to f by m1 plus m2 plus m3. So now we got this. Here we need to find f1 value, f2 value and f3 value. So here, so we need to find f1 and f2, f3 also. So that means m1 into a is equal to f minus f1, okay. So already we know f2 is equal to m3 into a, already you know, f by m1 plus m2 plus m3. So from this m3 into f by m1 plus m2 plus m3. This is f2 value. And f1 value, how to got f1 value? f1 is m2 plus m3 into a. m2 plus m3 into a. That means m2 plus m3 into a. A is f by m1 plus m2 plus m3. So from this m2 plus m3 into f by m1 plus m2 plus m3. So this is about f1. So we got f2 value, we got f1 value, and we got acceleration value. So these only now we need to find. Acceleration is equal to f by m1 plus m2 plus m3. f2 is equal to m3 into f by f1 plus m2 plus m3. Here diagram is how to draw diagram. What is given question? So this is a given question. No? This is a given question. This is a given question. So this is applied force F. So like this it is applied force F. Applied force. This is a block A, B, C. So this is M1, M2, M3. So here force is F1 contact force. So this is a question up. So this is we got. So this is here force is F2 force. Here force is F1 force, contact force. So this is a total procedure for finding F1, F2 and acceleration. For finding acceleration, simply we apply formula total net force by total mass. Now what is the trick to find easily? This is a procedure, total procedure for how to find this quickly, and how to find this in easy oriented. How to find easy oriented here? F2 is equal to M3 into A. F1 is equal to M2 plus M3 into A. Simple. Here also trick. Here also trick. Force direction is very important. So this is of force direction. Force direction is very important. Here trick is. So note down this. So this is very important. Tricks. Tricks for finding acceleration. So if you apply these tricks, you solve this question. We did not to solve this question by total this procedure. We should solve this question within 1 minute. So acceleration is equal to net force by total mass. Net force is F, total mass is M1 plus M2 plus M3. So we got the first question answer. Second question. Second question. What is second question? Contact force F1 is equal to. Contact force F1 is equal to. F1 is equal to backward mass into X. Backward mass. Backward mass. This is in this direction. So force direction. Along force direction. Frontward mass. Frontward mass. Frontward mass. Frontward mass into acceleration. Contact force trick. So I write here. So very important, very important. So here trick is simple trick. Simple trick. Acceleration. Acceleration is equal to net force by total mass. Total mass. Trick. That was the total mass. This is the first. Second one. Contact force is equal to forward, backward, forward. Forward mass. Forward total mass into acceleration. So third one, tension force. Tension force. Backward total mass. Backward total mass into acceleration. Into acceleration. For this question, observe carefully. For this question, so this is the question now. So this is the question. Already we got answers. Please calculate this. This F. This is F1. This I consider as F2. Block A, B, C. M1, M2, M3. So here contact force F1 is equal to frontward mass, force in this direction, frontward mass sum M2 plus M3 total mass into acceleration. So we got an answer. So apply here M2 plus M3 into acceleration means F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. We got this. Next, F2 value. How to find F2 is equal to? Simply applying free body diagram concept. It will take more time. Simply you apply tricks. You got answers. So here F2 is equal to forward mass, frontward mass. What is frontward mass? Forward total mass. Forward total mass is M3 only. So M3 into acceleration. M3 into acceleration. M3 in 3 only. Acceleration is F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. So this is a solution for this question by applying simple tricks. Now I am taking another example. Simple example. So how we are solving this question? Another example, simple example. Okay, so this is a applied force now in this direction. Here this is a block A, B, C. This is M1, this is M2, M3. Find net acceleration of system. Find contact force between AB and BC. Find contact force between AB and BC. So contact force between AB and BC. What are the tricks? What are the tricks? Tricks are first trick is acceleration is equal to net force by total mass. Second trick, contact force, that is contact force is indicated with F. Contact force is equal to forward total mass into acceleration. Forward total mass into acceleration. Forward total mass into acceleration. Is it or not? So here acceleration A is equal to F net means F by total mass means M1 plus M2 plus M3. This is the solution for the first question. First question solution we got. Next, second question. F1 is equal to. Here observe carefully. This is M1, this is M2, this is M3. Is it or not? M1. So contact forces, how we are acting? This is F1. Contact force is F1. This force is F2. Contact force is F2. Is acting like this. This block A, B, C. Force is acting in this direction. So now apply. F1 is equal to forward mass. What is forward mass? This is M1. This is M2. This is M3. What is forward mass? Forward mass. This is force in this direction. Forward mass means M1 only. M1 into A only. That means M1 only into A means F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. So finally what we got? M1 into F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. So how to got F2? F2 is equal to, simple, F2 is equal to forward mass. F2 is equal to forward mass means M1 plus M2. M1 plus M2. M1 plus M2 into A. Forward mass M1 plus M2 into A. That means M1 plus M2 into F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. So this is the solution of this question. So this is overall about this today's lecture. I hope you all are understood this lecture. Today we are mainly discussed about contact of two bodies, connecting of two bodies with the help of string. Connecting of two bodies with the help of string. Contact of two bodies. So how to find contact force, how to find acceleration of the system, how to find tension. So these are all finding by using simple trick. Acceleration means net force by total mass. Tension means backward mass into acceleration. Contact force means frontward total mass into acceleration. This is about the total today's lecture. So I hope you are all understood this lecture. So you are like this tricks. I hope you like these tricks. Please observe carefully lecture. Definitely you realize that very easy lectures if you know the tricks. If you don't know the tricks, so if you applying free body diagram, it will take more time. So this is about today lecture.